Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Open Secret, and today I am going to tell you about the special feature of calculator. We have been using calculator since class 6th or 7th. However, most of the people don't know about the uses of a few special function of the calculator. So today in this video I am going to show you with example that how it works, and that is the not other than function of memory. Memory function in the calculator, it is provided in all calculator and it is very useful. When we don't know this function, how to apply this, how to use this, how it works, we simplify the calculation and we take long time to solve a simple complicated sum. Like if in any sum there is a sum, add, subtract, multiply, divide in single equation, then we do that is we break the sum expression and then we calculate. So as the channel name is Open Secret, it is known to all that everyone who have used calculator ever single time in their lifetime, he must have known that this is m plus, this is m minus, and this is MRC, but they don't know what actually it used for. So today in this video I have prepared two examples for you, and by the help of these two examples I will show you how it works. So let's watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to feedback. This is a normal Casio calculator, and I would like to draw your attention in these three buttons. This is M plus, M minus, and MRC button. These buttons are combinedly called as memory function, and this is very useful in the sum, like where in the single expression there is something to be added, something to be subtracted, and something to be divided in combination of two functions. So like first of all I would like to tell you that what are the uses of these buttons. So M plus means if there is some calculation in the calculator and you have performed some equation, like we have computed 2 plus 2, as a result this is 4, and we want to add something with multiplication, like we want to add 0.25 into 4. So there are two options. One, you need to remember that the earlier result is 4, and after that go to home and then compute 0.25 into 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. This is what we did in our past, but with the help of this memory function we can perform this computation in single step, and that is 2 plus 2 m plus 4 into 0.25 m plus MRC, this is 5. So as this was the simple example where combination of sum and multiplication was there. Similarly, as M plus is used for adding something in the memory, M minus is used for subtracting something from the memory. Like I have already summed 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and this is in my memory. Now I have to subtract 0.25 into 4 from this value. So simply we need to press 0.25 into 4. Now this has to be subtracted memory, so M minus, and for result we press MRC. The result is on the screen, and that is 3. So now I have told you the function of M plus and M minus. MRC have two uses. One, to show the value what is in the memory, and another to clear the memory. Like when there is something in the memory, you will be able to see on the screen M. This M shows there is something in the memory in this calculator which you have earlier calculated. In case you miss to clear the memory, then your sum will be wrong and the result will be wrong. So first of all, before performing any action, we need to clear the memory. So how does we can do this? Here MRC, when you press 2 times MRC, it will clear the memory. For example, here now we are not able to see M, it disappeared. So MRC first use is to display the value, second is to clear the memory. Now in order to understand it in a better way, I have framed two examples for you. Kindly look at this. In first example, there is 2.5 into 4 plus 5 into 3.9 plus 6 multiplied by 2.75 and 12 divided by 1.25 has to be subtracted from the earlier sum. So first method is do separately, which will take comparatively longer time, and another is by the help of a memory function we can perform it in a single step. So let's start. As I have already calculated and you are able to see the answer on the screen, but let's go step by step. Here, as there is first sum is 2.5 into 4. Here 2.5 into 4 m plus. Result 10 is saved in our memory. Now second is 5 multiplied by 3.9. So after pressing m plus, we jump to second sum, that is 5 multiplied by 3.9. So 5 multiplied by 3.9. Again m plus. This value is also going to be saved in our memory. Third is 6 multiplied by 2.75. So 6 multiplied by 2.75. Again m plus. Again this value will be saved in our memory. After that the last one is 12 divided by 1.25. So 12 divided by 1.25. Here before pressing any key, as the requirement of this expression is this value must be subtracted from earlier values. So as we have saved different values in our memory, we need to press m minus in order to subtract this. So I pressed m minus. Now the value, that is 9.6, will be subtracted from earlier sum. Now after all there are nothing to press, so we press MRC and 36.4. This is our result and same is written on the paper. Also the steps are here, like firstly I had pressed 2.5 multiplied by 4, after that m plus, then 5 multiplied by 3.9 m plus, 6 multiplied by 2.75 m plus, and 12 divided by 1.5 m minus, and in order to view the result MRC. So is it okay? After that second example, look, here something like few figures are heavy, so let's try this one. If you guys want to try, then try it first. I will wait, but it is better to solve one more. Let's do it. 0.99 into 8876. So first of all, as a golden rule, we need to clear the memory. If we don't clear, then our result will be after adding 36.4 in the further calculations. So we need to clear this m. This small m is visible. Yeah, look, when we press 2 times MRC, it will get cleared. Look, now there is nothing in the screen except 0. Let's start our second computation. The second one is 0.99 multiplied by 8876. So 0.99 multiplied by 8876 m plus 47625. 47625 multiplied, sorry, it's divided by 8 m plus 9.86 multiplied by 4, and this has to be subtracted, so m minus, and as a result MRC 14700.925. Here in the paper 14700.925. Wow, it's exactly same. Here step are written, so 0.99 into 8876 m plus 447625 divided by 8 m plus 9.86 multiplied by 4 m minus and MRC. Is it okay? If you guys have any doubt regarding use of memory function, then kindly write in the comment section. I will respond individually. So guys, how was this secret? You knew that? It was very good. If you don't, then please share with someone who also don't know about this fact. In future, I will make another video on special functions of the calculator also. So please do subscribe to this channel and kindly share this video for someone who don't know and who need this function to in their daily calculations. Thank you for watching.